Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to enable or disable notifications in Windows 11, perfect for reducing distractions. We'll go step by step and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's manage those notifications, stick with me. Alright, let's dive in. First, open Settings. Click the Start button, then the gear icon to open Settings. Go to System, then scroll down and click Notifications. To disable all notifications, toggle off Notifications at the top. For specific apps, scroll down, find an app like Google Chrome, click it and toggle off Show Notifications to stop them. One tip: if notifications still appear, restart your PC or check if the app has its own notification settings. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments which notifications you turned off. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.